The proposed Plant Breeders' Rights Bill, made available for consultation, has raised concerns among stakeholders. The Zambia Alliance for Agroecology and Biodiversity (ZAAB) has strongly opposed the bill, alleging that it aims to benefit multinational seed companies at the expense of national interests and farmers' rights. ZAAB Chairperson Vladimir Chilinya voiced these concerns during a media briefing in Lusaka. He emphasized that the bill was not initiated by national interest but by multinational seed companies seeking to control Zambia's and Africa's diverse seeds for profit.
Commitments to ensure the equal protection of farmers' rights as opposed to private farmers' rights as per international obligations under the International Treaty for Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture are long outstanding. Further noting, Zambia's current PBR Act 2007 is already in line with the World Trade Organization and trade-related aspect of international property rights, TRIPS agreement, and adequately protects breeders' rights. Therefore, no further revisions in line with UPOV 91 standard or any other regional harmonization need be made. Acceding to UPOV 1991, we will instead contravene Zambia's obligation under international and regional treaties and frameworks that it has adopted or ratified.
At the same event, Charles Nkoma, Country Director of the Community Technology Development Trust, CTDT, expressed his organization's concerns regarding the proposed bill. Nkoma stressed the importance of protecting farmers' rights and ensuring equitable access to seeds. He called for a thorough review of the bill to safeguard the interests of smallholder farmers and promote agricultural biodiversity.
So unfortunately, this new proposed bill is following a lot of recommendations, a lot of almost twisting, to the point where first we have a draft now which we looked at yesterday, which is essentially as input from the external sources before us, the local Zambians, can actually input. And that is another aspect that we want to challenge. The reason why it's like that is because, first of all, like I said, every country needs plant breeders' rights.
Francis Davies, advocacy and research representative from ZAAB, echoed similar sentiments during the briefing. Ms. Davies emphasized the need for the bill to uphold principles of good governance and national interest. She urged policymakers to prioritize farmers' rights and ensure that any legislation promotes agricultural sustainability and food security.
Being revised at the same time as the Plant Variety and Seed Act. And it's actually the combination of these two acts together that are going to have the greatest impact on farmers, big and small, in Zambia. And so the Seed Act is about certification, registration, certification and marketing of seed in this country. And the current standards that are being used within the Seed Act make it near impossible for farmers themselves to register and to market their own seed varieties and their own seed. So we have a situation where the dominant players on the seed market are commercial seed companies, not smaller farmer-owned and farmer seed systems.
It's clear that the proposed Plant Breeders' Rights Bill has sparked significant debate among stakeholders. I am Katendi Moya. Revelation News.